So here in our component, when we subscribe to this observable, this subscription is going to stay in memory, and if we don't manage it properly, it can cause memory leaks. So now let me show you how to fix this problem. Earlier in the course, you learned about component lifecycle hooks. We looked at onInit and onDestroy interfaces. So you know that onInit is called when a component is initialized, and onDestroy is called when a component is destroyed. So in a multi-page application where the user navigates from one page to another, when the user navigates away from a component, Angular is going to destroy that component and then initialize a new component and put it in the DOM. So here, we need to handle the onDestroy interface, and there, we need to explicitly unsubscribe from this subscription. So here, I'm going to add this class implements onDestroy. So you can see this interface is defined in Angular/core. Now we have a compilation error because we have not implemented this interface. So we need to add a method called ng onDestroy. And the compilation error is gone. Now here we need to unsubscribe from our subscription. Look at the return type of this subscribe method. It returns a subscription object. So here I can define a field called subscription and set it to the return value of this subscribe method. So this subscription equals db.list.subscribe. And then in ng onDestroy, we can call this dot subscription dot. Now here we don't have IntelliSense because TypeScript doesn't know the type of this object. It assumes it's any. So if we annotate this with subscription, we get compile time checking and IntelliSense. Subscription, this class is defined in RxJS library, just like observables. Look, we've got subscription defined in RxJS/subscription. Now, back in ng onDestroy dot, here we have this unsubscribe method. So when we navigate away from this component is going to be destroyed, and at this time we unsubscribe from this subscription. Now, because in this demo we don't have a multi-page app and I don't want to waste your time building routing, I'm going to add a button on our page to simulate the scenario. So let's go to app.component.html. Here I'm going to add a button called Go Offline. And when we click this button, I want to call ng onDestroy. So after we go offline, you're no longer notified of any changes to the courses node. Let's see this in action. So save, back in the browser. We have 3 courses here. I'm going to add a new course. 4, course 4. Back here, you can see the new course. Now let's go offline. Back to our database. I'm going to delete this course. Now back here, you can see we're still looking at the old list because our subscription no longer exists. So when working with Firebase, you should remember to unsubscribe from your observables. However, as you can see, writing all this code is a little bit tedious and time consuming. So in the next lecture, I'm going to show you a faster way to achieve the same thing.